What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in on the channel. This weekend we got to go out to Lake Siskiyou for just a one-day camping trip. It was a lot of fun. Not a whole lot of off-roading, so there wasn't much need to take out the Panda, but made it easy to pack all of our camping stuff in and everything. But there's a whole lot of fun. We were next to a really cool stream. Got some sick drone shots, and yeah, just had a whole lot of fun. Thanks for tuning in, and here's the video. Lauren got it for me. It's camping cornhole.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, light it up.
Well, and
It's very expensive knife. I think it'd be dope with some fire in front.
bam, bro, dude.
Why do PS4s do that? Really
Someone help!
You fool! You fell for one of my classic blunders.
That was so uneventful. You're uneventful.
Here, Nick.
You're gonna attract a bird. Yeah.
Sadly, it's time to pack up and go home.